Welcome back to my top cryptocurrency channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important topics in cryptocurrency: how to make $100 a day with crypto. Beginner guide. 1. Understanding how crypto makes money. Before diving into specific methods, it's important to understand how cryptocurrency generates income. Crypto markets operate 24/7, and profits come from price movements, interest earnings, staking rewards, trading strategies, and passive income streams. 2. Day trading for quick profits. Day trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within short timeframes to take advantage of price fluctuations. Traders analyze market trends, use technical indicators, and execute multiple trades in a day to accumulate small but consistent profits. 3. Swing trading for less frequent trades. Swing trading is a medium-term strategy where traders hold onto assets for days or weeks to capitalize on larger price movements. Unlike day trading, which requires constant monitoring, swing trading allows traders to analyze trends over a longer period and make informed decisions. 4. Earning with crypto. Staking. Staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency in a network to support its operations and earn rewards in return. Many blockchain networks use proof of stake, polonium-2 sulfide, systems, allowing users to earn passive income just by holding and staking their coins. Staking is a lower-risk strategy compared to trading, as it provides steady returns without requiring constant market monitoring. 5. Yield farming and liquidity mining. Yield farming is the process of providing liquidity to decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms in exchange for rewards. Users deposit their crypto assets into liquidity pools, which facilitate transactions on DeFi platforms. In return, they receive a share of the platform's transaction fees or governance tokens. Yield farming can be highly profitable but comes with risks like impermanent loss, where fluctuating token values can reduce overall earnings. 6. Crypto lending for passive income. Crypto lending allows users to earn interest by loaning their assets to others through lending platforms. Borrowers use crypto as collateral, and lenders receive interest payments over time. This method offers passive income with relatively low risk, especially when using reputable lending platforms. However, market volatility can affect the value of the collateral, and lending rates may fluctuate based on demand. 7. Participating in play-to-earn (P2E) games. Play-to-earn games reward players with cryptocurrency or NFTs for participating in in-game activities. These games have gained popularity as they allow users to monetize their time and skills. Earnings can be generated through completing missions, trading in-game assets, or staking game tokens. However, P2E games often require initial investments, and market demand for in-game assets can fluctuate, impacting profitability. 8. Mining cryptocurrency for steady earnings. Mining involves using computational power to validate transactions and secure blockchain networks. Miners receive rewards in the form of newly minted coins. While mining was once highly profitable for individuals, increasing competition and electricity costs have made it less accessible without specialized hardware. However, some cryptocurrencies still offer profitable mining opportunities for beginners with lower cost setups. 9. Earning through airdrops and bounty programs. Airdrops and bounty programs reward users with free cryptocurrency for completing tasks like signing up for platforms, promoting projects, or testing new applications. These rewards are distributed by crypto projects to attract new users and create engagement. While airdrops may not always provide significant earnings, participating in multiple airdrops and bounty programs can accumulate over time, providing an additional income stream. 10. Using crypto cashback and rewards programs. Crypto cashback programs allow users to earn cryptocurrency for making everyday purchases. Many platforms and crypto-friendly credit cards offer cashback rewards in Bitcoin or other digital assets. This is a simple way to accumulate crypto without additional effort. Users can also take advantage of rewards programs that offer tokens for participating in promotions or using specific services. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.